Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about history of Lahore. So let's start the video. Lahore is the second largest city in the Pakistan, which is populated more than 13 million after Karachi. This is the traditional capital of Punjab for a thousands of years. It has been a cultural center and northern India existing form of Peshawar and New Delhi. It is very famous saying in the Pakistan, one of the has not seen Lahore and not born. These people of Lahore, when you have to vent in the emphasize and uniqueness of this town, and Lahore is Lahore. Lahore is the city of poets, artists, is the center of film industries. Has been a largest number of educational institutions in the country and some of the finest gardens in this continent. Apart from of you have to be in a cultural in academic center, it is the country and Lahore is the showcase of Mughal architecture in Pakistan. For more than 200 years, beginning of about 1524 AHT, Lahore was the thriving of cultural center in the great Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire's beautiful Lahore with the places, gardens and mosques Lahore peaks. The original city is Lahore, situated in the miles of south in the Ravi River and some 23 miles for the eastern border of the Punjab district. These walls are the city when you have to there will be have to standing in the Punjab districts. The wall of the city when you have to where are still standing gave to the shape of parallelogram. This is the total area inside the wall is the encronama encompassed and roughly 461 acres of land. This is the city of slightly elevated in the above of plain and it is the high weighted range for your running east and west is the northern sides. The whole of these evaluated in the ground of composed and accumulated desired for these many countries. The original of Lahore are the shouted in the mentrist in the enquiry that is the Lahore is undoubtedly accidents Asian's legend and this is the founded about 400 years ago and by of the Rama is the hero of Hindu epic and the Ramana of this history of past and the remains of the subordinate temples attribute in the Rama. It is the northern part of Royal Front. Historical is a been of proved in the Lahore at least for 200,000 year old. This is the Hulan of the famous Chinese parallelogram and which is we have to valid description of the Lahore when it is visit already and early the parts of 17th century AHT. Laying of the main trend of the invention roads and South Asia, Lahore has been a route in the plurient by number and dynastic of your Horat Muslim trolls and begins for your Kurutul Din. Abek is the have to crowded in the Lahore. 1206 is the became of the first Muslim Sultan as a subcontinent. It is the vexed for your wanted in the importance of during to Sultan. Here are the in touch of you have to the zenith of glory during to the Mughal rule. It is the farm of your 1524 to 1762. The Mughal, who are the famous of builders, gave the Lahore some of the finest architectures and movements. These are the extant for today's. It is the Akbar's capital from 14 years from 1584 to 1598. He built a massive Lahore form into the burnt of Beckett and foundations of previous front of the enclosed and city beneath the red of brick and was boosting with a 12 gate. Jahangir and Shah Jahan is the born in the Lahore, extended in the front, built of the places and the tomb of laid out of gardens. Jahangir loved the city and his wife Noor Jahan as the beautiful at Shadra. This is the latest of the great Mughals, Aurangzeb and it in the Lahore of most famous movements. This is the great Badshahi Masjid. Royal Mosque is the Alamgiri gateway to the front. During to 18th century, as Mughal power diminished in the constant inventions that is the like of Shah Jahan, Nadir and Ahmad Sadi. Ahmad Shah Abdali, Lahore is the Soba and it is the province of empire governed by provincial rules for you have to the own court. This is the governor managed of the best and cloud for the toughest much time it must be have been a rankless and task for the even attempted. The 1740 was the year of choices between 1745 and 1756. There were we have to changes in the governor. Invention for you have to the chosen in local government alone. That you have the brand of warning six and they have to gain a control of some areas. Lahore ended up for the rule and it is the tournament of your six and designation of you about 30 years before the Maharaj Ranjit Singh come to the power in 1799. They finally managed of you have to the brink of order 14-year-old and this is the